Welcome to the Grocery List Organizer tutorial. I'm Bill Vogel with VTech Incorporated, and I'm going to show you how this application works in this tutorial. As you know, when you make a grocery list, it's usually in a random order based on what comes to mind. The problem is that when you go and use that list shopping, it's not in an order in which you're shopping, so that you have to go back and forth on the list. What Grocery List Organizer allows you to do is to get your list organized in a direction in which you actually do your shopping. Let's take a look and see how easy this application is to use. The first screen we come to is the stores that you have lists for shopping. The list might look something like this, where you go through and you shop for different items, and as you notice, it may be in an order that's not in the order in which you're shopping. So let's take a look at how we might order this as we shop. Let's take a look at a smaller list so you can see it on your screen better. Okay, we're going to buy these three items, but we want to get them in the proper order. So the first thing we do is we built the list already, and we're going to click Order the List. And then when we shop, we'll get the items in the order that we buy them. And then when we click Order List, then now it's in the order that you actually shop for them. So when you come back again, it'll be in the proper order. And so you can do this for your entire list the first time through, and thereafter it'll be in the proper order. Let's say, for example, you want to add an item to your list. Well, then we go to the Edit screen, and we click the plus sign, and we click, let's say, ice cream, vanilla. Okay, 1 quart. Let's make it a gallon. Okay, and we click Save. Okay, now we have ice cream. Now it's going to show up at the top of the list, and we'll have to get it back in the right order. Let's say we want it to come after bread. Well, bread has a sequence number of 300. It actually goes 100, 200, 300. So we want to have vanilla ice cream come after bread. So we'll just make that 360. And we'll save it. And now you can see that ice cream now is in the proper order. Let's say while we're in the edits list, we decide we don't want milk to show up on our list today. So what we do is we turn the visibility off and we save. Don't forget to save. And we go back to our edit list. It's grayed out now, so we know that eggs, bread, and ice cream will show up, but milk will not. So when we go done, we see that this is our actual list that we're going to be using, and you can see that the bread doesn't or that the milk doesn't show up. So if we go back to ShopRite again, we take a look and we see that we have eggs, bread, and ice cream, but we don't have the milk. So let's edit and put it back on. We'll click on the milk, and then we'll click this button. We'll press Save, and you see that milk is now again going to show up, and it does. So that's pretty much how our list works. In this tutorial, we've shown you how to add a store. We've shown you how to edit your grocery list. We've showed you how to make an item visible or invisible. We've showed you how to add an item to your list. And I'm going to show you how to delete an item off of your list now. Just as simple as that. Drag to the left and it's removed. If you want to remove a store from the list, you do the same thing. That's it. It's simple, it's easy to use, and it's going to save you some time.